guys. I'm so excited to have you join me today in our abundance series. Now, before we launch the full abundance series, I wanted to create a brief high-level overview of what is abundance, almost a beginner's guide to cultivating an abundance mindset. Now, what this video will go over is what is abundance, what it's not, what is the framework in order to achieve abundance, what are the cornerstones, and how you can ultimately utilize tools and strategies that you have available right now at your disposal to start cultivating an abundance mindset. So please continue watching. This won't be a video that you'll want to miss. Now, what is abundance? Abundance is a state of consciousness. It's a state of being. It's a self-love decision and choice where you can ultimately decide now to start cultivating. What isn't abundance? Abundance is not a constant pursuit of things. It's not this desire to climb the corporate ladder. It's not feeding your ego. It's not accumulation of material possessions. And I know that society has somewhat brainwashed us into thinking that you're finding abundance through possessions and assets and money. Ultimately, those pursuits can leave people feeling unfulfilled, right? So please make sure that you're mindful of, what abundance really means to you, and what you truly value and want for your life. Now, what are the cornerstones? The cornerstones are joy and gratitude. Joy and gratitude can be argued to be states of consciousness as well, and they're also deliberate decisions that you can make to ultimately find joy and gratitude in all of your circumstances, regardless of how inconvenient or how uncomfortable life can be at times. It's reframing and checking in with yourself to ask yourself, what is the opportunity in this adversity? What is the opportunity in this circumstance, in this challenge? And really finding purpose in everything that comes at you. Cornerstones of abundance are truly joy and gratitude. Now, what is the framework? We go through phase 1, which is mastering your mind and thoughts. Phase 2 is mastering your essence and energy, and mastering your life and humanity will be phase 3. Mastering your mind and thoughts is the most important critical vehicle for the other phases, since your thoughts produce your feelings will produce and impact your actions, and then all of that will drive the quality of your life. So really disciplining and mastering your mindset and thoughts for them to serve you rather than you being a prisoner and be at the mercy of your thoughts and feelings is a major focal point in our journey towards mastering an abundance mindset. Mastering your essence and energy will come from truly doing this introspective boot camp and going through a journey of self-discovery to really understand and uncover what your values and belief systems are. What is your mission statement? What are you ultimately governed by? And then aligning your thoughts and your emotions and your intentional actions to drive those desired states and to drive your values and also your mission in life. And ultimately, mastering your life in humanity will be this deliberate pursuit of living a life that's in accordance to your essence and your authentic self, but also having this component of collective consciousness, right? How do my actions and decisions ultimately affect the greater good and affect the larger collective, right? So not just this independent pursuit for self-gratification, but also this driving force of what am I doing right now that can impact the world in a greater way. Now, the final takeaway here is that you can decide now to live in abundance today. It's a deliberate choice. It's a lifestyle decision that you can cultivate right now with a simple decision to sustain these thoughts of gratitude and joy and these ideas of of embodying abundance in your life, regardless of your challenges, regardless of your struggles, regardless of your circumstances. Finding the meaning and purpose behind your life can be an incredibly empowering journey, right? So rather than being at the mercy and being a prisoner and struggling and finding grievances, it's rather finding opportunity and adversity, and also finding the joy in all the simple moments in your life is going to be a life-changing catalyst as you pursue this journey of abundance. Now we're going to have a full video on this series, and I wanted to have this intro video, which is serving as a beginner's guide to mastering an abundance mindset. But please stay tuned for the series. It's going to go into each of the framework phases in more detail. And if you enjoy content of this nature, please subscribe to my channel, Evolve with Julia. Your support means everything. And please share this video if you feel that it would be helpful to a friend. Thank you guys. See you soon.